How to fix Windows activation error code 0xc004f034. 1. Create .bat activation file. Code at echo off loop script /noligo slmgr.bbs. /8 if error level 0, go to end, go to loop end echo activation was successful. Press any key to close this window. Pause null exit now, run the bat file as admin. 2. Click Activate button multiple times. 3. Disable your antivirus, firewall, and VPN. 4. Use the run slui4 command. 5. Other tips. Run Windows Activation Troubleshooter. Clear items in software distribution folder at c:\windows/soft_tware distribution. Activate your Windows by phone. Contact Microsoft support.